Bro, look. The market is skyrocketing. I just took a Hero Zero trade. This 20 rupees premium is hitting 200 rupees today. Your brother is going to be a millionaire. Bit 2. That's not a Hero Zero trade. That's just going to be zero. Look at the red candles. Exit now while you still have some gas money. No way, man. A reversal is coming. Look at the chart. It's forming a perfect W pattern. You know what W stands for? Wealth. No, Bit 2. In your case, W stands for wipe it out. My entire capital is gone in 2 minutes? The market didn't even give me a chance to breathe. Hey, what happened to the pizza party you promised? Forget pizza, man. Because of my intraday trading, even my lunch option became intraday. I'm stuck with yesterday's cold leftovers and tap water. Trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Without proper knowledge and risk management, your capital will hit zero faster than you can click boo.